Aloha and welcome to the 5 to 4s with
I'm Patrick. Hi.
and Doña. And like the same procedure as every time, we go ahead with our Spanish style. And today there is a new rhythm we show you in the preparation for our upcoming workshop in December. I guess we planned it, or?
Yeah.
So I love the sweet rhythm. I hear that it would be a 6/8 beat. So would you mind to explain to me and to us how it works?
Yeah, sure. So let's start. So we start with the same chords we always had. So the first is a D minor here on my tenor. So you start with down. Yeah, pretty good. So you have down, up, and try to use your thumb to clap here on this part. And pretty important is to do the clap here, and immediately after the clap, just
A rest stroke.
yeah. So clap G string, clap G string, G string, down up clap G, down up clap G. So the last part is just with your index finger one upstroke, but for the upstroke just use only the E string and the A string. Yeah, they have a different sound. So the full thing is down, up, clap, G string up, down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down. So I can play it like yeah.
Sorry, it's electric, so you can't hear that clapping or typical sound like you did with a regular ukulele, but I try my best. Down, up, down, up, clap.
Just a little bit faster on the clap G string part.
Yeah, so I'm a little bit more offbeat. Yeah. Oops, that was too fast. Oh no. Yeah, it's.
And another important thing is when you have the clap part here, just leave your thumb here. You have this movement here. Yeah, it's actually right. But if you leave your thumb here, so it's pretty close to do the part of the G string.
Can't hear it.
Yeah, so far.
I thought you want to say something, so I was quite calm. And so you can use it in the typical 6/8 beat formation in the typical flamenco style. Maybe you can also combine it with that triplet strum we did the last time, so that you can do a combination out of this strumming pattern and the triplet.
Yeah, so for example, you can start with here. Yeah, so never thought about it, but it's also cool.
Yeah. And so maybe we can let our students practice this thing, and next week we can do the harmonic minor scale. In this case, for the D minor, that is more Spanish flavor or flair, and that our students can combine those drums from this and the last tutorial. And for further information and details, they can book our workshop. And I started yesterday to create a new song about this pattern we did the last time, or the Andalusian cadence. So there's a chance to practice too. But I need a little time to write a song.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So, and by the way, just give us a follow on Instagram for more little tutorials or more little clues. So that should be useful.
And it would be nice if you tell us our or your interest for our workshop. And if you practice our thing, please don't forget to put the hashtag the 5 to 4s or one of our Instagram account like ukulele in 12 Wochen and DJ Doña Barça. But you see it anyway. So
Awesome.
talk to you soon. See you soon. See
Sure.
ya. Bye bye.
Oh, what's that?
Yay!